What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'll be doing today is going to be some Panda Express inspired orange chicken wings. Listen, this recipe was inspired by another YouTube channel that you definitely need to take a look at. Name of that channel is Smoking and Grilling with AB, or as his title would say on his channel, Smoking and Grilling with AB. Anyway, however you spell it, whatever you want to call it, however you want to pronounce it, listen. You want a good looking channel, take a look at somebody that's putting together some definitely professionally inspired videos. Run by his channel and take a look at what he has going on. I'm going to leave a link to his orange chicken. There's Panda Express Orange Chicken in the iCard above and description below, as well as a link to his channel in the iCard above and description below. Anyway, he rocked that recipe out so good, I figured I needed to do my take on it. Made it look easy, which is definitely a plus as well. It's been a while since we've gone ahead and deep fried some wings, so we're going to be doing that today. Anyway, let's come on in and take a look at these ingredients and we'll get knocking this out. Now this is going to be a three-step process. I will have all the ingredients and amounts in the description below. Anyway, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these whole chicken wings, cut the tips off, which I'm going to use for chicken stock down the road, and we're going to separate the flat from the drum. And as you can see, I got a great value from Walmart for $6.99 for this pack. So bang, that's like making money. Anyway, the ingredients we're going to use for our chicken coating is we have flour, cornstarch, salt, and white pepper. For our sauce, we're going to have soy sauce, minced ginger, orange juice, vinegar. I'm using ground ginger just because I didn't have any fresh ginger. If you have fresh ginger, definitely rock that out. Red pepper flakes. These are Thai chili peppers. What I did was I took fresh Thai chili peppers and dried them out. So that's kind of what that looked like. Then we crushed them up. We have some cornstarch, some honey, and some toasted sesame seeds. This is going to be our sauce. So what I need to do is I need to go ahead and cut these up and get them ready to get coated, and then we'll get on with the coat. First thing we need to do is hook up our little coating for this chicken. So I have my flour and our cornstarch. We're just going to go ahead and mix those together. Going to hit it with our white pepper and our salt. And we're just going to give it a good stir. Now, one ingredient that I forgot to mention earlier is we are going to be adding a little bit or a couple egg whites to these chicken wings as well. And now that we have everything combined, we're just going to go ahead and add our egg whites to our chicken wings. Just kind of give those a good mix. Make sure that they're coated. And now we're going to add the rest of our seasoning, flour, and cornstarch. And we're going to mix these in and make sure that they are fully coated. So now that we have it coated, I'm just going to put them on a broiler pan or any kind of a raised rack. And we're just going to set them aside until our oil comes up to temperature. I'm going to be wanting to cook these wings with a temperature of about 350 degrees on that oil. So while this oil is coming up to temp, let's go ahead and make this sauce. Pretty much we're just going to add all these ingredients. So we got our orange juice, the soy sauce, this fresh minced garlic, the ginger, our red pepper flakes, those Thai chili pepper flakes. Let's go ahead and give this a stir. I'm going to bring this up to a slight simmer. This is starting to simmer. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat down. I'm going to go ahead and add my honey. And I'm going a little bit more liberal on the honey than typical. I'm going to go ahead and add our sesame seeds and our cornstarch and water mixture. And we're going to cook this until it becomes thickened. You know, guys, I am glad I caught this. I almost forgot to add this vinegar in. Bang! I thought something was a little bit lacking in this. Anyway, like I said, we have this on low. This is going to continue thickening up, so we should be good to go. Oil is up to 350 degrees, and this chicken has definitely soaked up that cornstarch and flour mixture that we put on them. We're just going to go ahead and fry them until they're golden brown and definitely crisp. Don't try this at home. Just joking. So this is the color I'm looking for on this chicken. I'm going to go ahead and set it aside. I'm going to set it on a broiler pan just so that oil is going to drain off. And then I'm going to cook probably about 2 more batches. In the meantime, I am going to throw these wings in the oven just to keep them warm, because we're going to want them warm when we go ahead and throw this sauce on them. You guys, this chicken looks beautiful right here. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and take a few of these pieces of chicken, roll it around, and I'm going to get this whole batch. We're just going to kind of roll it around in here. I got another broiler pan over here. We're going to just go ahead and set it on that and let any of this excess sauce kind of drip off. We don't want it too drippy. Then we're going to get into this taste test. I'm telling you, I cannot wait on this. This looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to get into it. I'd like to thank Smoking and Grilling with AB for giving me the inspiration for this recipe right here. Anyway, I was listening to a little music earlier today and a song came on, and I thought back to my childhood. First 2 albums I ever bought. First album was Rapper's Delight. I think I was like in the 6th grade or 5th grade, 1979. Second album I ever bought was an album by that British rock band Queen. So I'd like to give props to Hetty Mercury over here for helping me out with this taste test. Get in and let's see what we think.
Okay. Mmm. Ooh. The sauce has a nice sweet heat to it. It goes perfect with this tender white chicken. And the outside is so nice and crispy. Love it.
Does it remind you of anything?
Like a sweet and sour with a real nice kick to it.
Close. Anyway, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I do a lot of air fryer wings and stuff like that. And I'm going to tell you, I'll be the first one to mention that I do not think that the air fryer is putting out as good, you know, fried chicken wings as deep frying. And so let's, you know, get beyond that. The only thing I really like about that air fryer is convenience, #1, and the cleanup. Now we got to deal with all this oil and cleaning up all this stuff back here, but that's not my problem right now. That's Mason's problem. So when we're done knocking out these wings, he's going to go over here and handle this. Anyway, good stuff right there. Run over to Smoking and Grilling with AB. Tell him Lyle said what's up. Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe. I'm out.